Okay guys, removing a tire from a bicycle or a car or whatever, it's not that difficult unless you chucked anti-hole stuff in there. So I had a couple of leak tires, had to put some foam in there, and then it's hard to get it off. So, well, just used my old and really strong, burglar scissors. Got the job done. And after fixing the scooters, of course, it's a time for a test ride. And Caro, it's her first time, but check it out. She's going off-road immediately. So we're here on like a normal road. And this is the A200. So that's like sort of a highway. But we can't go further, can we?
No.
Just the road just stops. But happily, Caro already feels so secure that sand, mud, rocks, doesn't matter, she's cruising along. Okay, we're on our way to the beach. We want to find a beach to chill. And this is the only public beach. Looks very inviting. No shooting here, crocodiles here, no swimming, no children. She thinks I'm making a little joke about the crocodile, but I think I'm just seeing the most biggest.
Oh,
do you see him? Do you see him?
Oh,
look at this, guys. I've got goosebumps. This thing is absolutely huge.
Oh.
How big is that thing? How do you feel?
Help my navel.
Have you ever seen a crocodile in real life?
I'm a little bit scared.
Okay, I'm just gonna be very, very careful because they can be around here anywhere, but this is a huge motherfucker here. This thing is huge. This is not a joke. Check out that motherfucker and those teeth. I am not joking. This is just where I wanted to go surfing. Come over here. How does that feel? No, not further. If it starts running, it's faster than you, just so you know.
I know. Yeah, I know.
How do you feel? You want to go for a swim? We're not going to go for a swim here, huh? For if you think he was dead, there he goes. You want to follow the river? It's damn quiet.
I'm a little bit scared. Let's go.
How do you like this bit?
Much better.
Cross the river and watch the crocodile.
Mexico is beautiful.
She loves Mexico. I thought I saw a baby croc. Just keep on moving. You'll be okay. And we want to get to the beach, but on the way to the beach we have to cross a lot of these little bridges and you do not know what's underneath it. So yeah, it's a big adventure just getting here to the beach. Okay, so that's Crocodile Land. And this is where the people surf. Someone doesn't want us to go on this road. As you can see, one big adventure taking these steps off-road, but to be honest, we're getting to some places with some amazing views. Check this out. And then it's time to go back to the boat through this croc-infested forest, because it's time for some dinner. But Caro cannot get enough of the scooter, she's addicted, so even in this beautiful evening dress, she wants to go on the scooters to the beach for some beautiful sunset dinner. And she's got the scooter fully under control, so even next to the highway, she doesn't mind. She is awesome on this thing. They do about 25 km an hour, so within 25 minutes, we were in Bucerias for a nice dinner. Good night. Okay guys, so today we're in the Palladium. What is it? Grand Hotel Palladium. We got a day pass and we're actually gonna check out the surf right now. We just had a great breakfast. Looks amazing. It's a 5-star hotel. You can buy here day passes for $60 from 10 till 6. If you want to do the night pass, it's from 6 till 2. And then you get the disco, the club, and everything is included. Food, drinks. So let's go to the beach. Check it out. The people are surfing there. We've got the whole resort. You pay $60 per day. And then you get free drinks, free food. And check this all out. Amazing waves. Check it out, guys. Wow. We're gonna enjoy yourselves here. Waves for the surf dads. Amazing playground for the kids. Dump your kids in the swimming pool. Get your surfboard over here. Get your lady that's fixing up your bed. Thank you, Caro. And guys, go for a surf here. I'm gonna go for a surf, guys. It was a fairly long pedal out to the outer reef, but it was worth it. So I got some nice waves. And of course, I've got some nice washing machines. But after all, it was great. And even on the inside, the little bit more small waves, they were heaps of fun. Long to ride, so I can recommend this place to any surfer with a family that wants to have a good time with the wife and the kids in an all-inclusive hotel. Okay, can life get any better, guys? Coming out of the water after a nice surf session and cheers! Mojito is ready. Okay, time for a barbecue. Keeping surfboards on the beach. Back in a bit. And the buffet is amazing. They have Italian, they have French, they have every kitchen you can imagine. And it's really, really fresh. You can have fresh made fish, fresh made meat. You name it, they've got it. And after dinner, strawberry daiquiri while watching the surfers taking their last wave at sunset. Okay, and all night long, 24 hours, you can get snacks. Play pool here in the bar. Caro. So we just got out of the all-inclusive resort. It was amazing. The beach was beautiful, the drinks, the food was beautiful, the people were amazing. But Caro left her mojito at the bar. And I was a little bit like, Caro, you should have drunk, but you can't waste alcohol. And we're sitting outside. You know what she pulls out of her bag? What does caro mean in Spanish?
Caro?
Yes. Es significa
Expensive.
expensive.
Muy
And
caro.
muy caro means very expensive.
Mucho dinero.
Mucho dinero.
It was a lovely day.
It was an amazing day. And check that out, even after a tiring day, drinking, having food, she's not skipping her gym routine. This is very hard, training your tummy, and she does it better than me. This girl is one strong gym shark. And then it's Saturday, and we feel like a party. So today we are sailing to Playa Iguana to Anima Beach Club. That's a beach club on the other side of Vallarta. And it's amazing. After the party we sail back to Marina Vallarta and we're gonna go for a perfect view and a nice drink here. This is a lighthouse in the Marina of Vallarta and they asked us, do you want to take the elevator or the stairs? We said the stairs and instantly regretted that. It's hot and it's high, but to be honest the view was stunning, was amazing. So we had a couple of cocktails and then it was time to check out the Moulin Rouge in the harbor. And then after a perfect night, we can look back on 10 days of amazing sailing, partying, new beaches, new cultures, discovering, exploring on the steps, crocodile adventures and more. New memories and experiences for a lifetime.
Caballero, sir,
Yeah?
we cannot take pictures there.
Oh. And don't forget to watch next time where we get hit by a hurricane with 90 knots of wind that are ripping apart sails, taking trees out of the ground completely, and the marina takes a lot of damage. So, and I have a new guest. See you next Friday.